Question is, what do you value in a friendship? And she's saying friendship.
See,
Hi guys.
hello guys.
So guys, we are going to make our first YouTube video together.
Yeah.
And we are going to do how well do you know me. So Kaveri is going to answer some questions. And they
Okay,
are
nice.
there in this diary.
I'm excited.
Okay, so we have the first question for you, Kaveri. Are you ready?
Yes. Oh my god.
So Kaveri, what's the first thing I do in the morning?
You switch off the alarm. Sorry. You don't even switch off the alarm. You don't even wake up.
True. She has been my roommate, so she knows
my
me
God,
that
guys.
I just snooze my alarms and I never wake up.
She doesn't even do that. Okay, like we wake up, she doesn't. Okay.
कौन है ये लोग? कहाँ से आते हैं ये?
Oh my god, that was like traumatizing alarm sound.
Guys, I gave this question just because I wanted to see if she remembers how I used to be in college.
Of course. Who will forget that? That was very traumatizing sound. Okay, that redness sound. I still remember it.
Okay, next question. What's the funniest thing that's ever happened to us together?
There are so many things.
But-
Oh my god, see, the funniest, and it was a bit scary for us back then. So one day it was raining, guys, at night. We went to have momos, okay? It was raining. And then we were coming back, and there was this Omni van.
Oh my
We were coming, and I don't know if it was coincidence. It took U-turn, okay? We got so scared.
Guys, I don't
we
know.
started running in, rain. It was like,
Yeah.
oh my god.
But that's not the funniest
No,
thing.
that
okay?
was funniest.
No, guys, we were scared of vans. I don't know why. But yeah, we were scared and I don't know why that van guy behaved so
Yeah,
suspiciously.
it was suspicious and it was very much scary, but it was funniest.
But the funniest thing, this is the wrong answer. The
yeah.
funniest thing that has ever happened to us, that is that Udaipur trip, there was this guy who was
when we went to Udaipur trip,
अबे जल्दी बोल, कल सुबह पनवेल निकल.
So there was this trip guide. There was this trip guide, and he was
His name was
pretending defamation to that prince guy, but he was pretending to be a sad person
yeah.
so that people don't trouble him too and
Exactly.
request him to take him to more places. So that's why he was pretending to be sad and depressed and sick. But
he was sitting in some corner, guys, acting,
yeah,
sad.
he was sitting outside a shop and that shop was closed because that guy looked shady also.
There was this guy, he went to him and he was like, are you peddler?
He asked him for some mal to smoke.
And his reaction was, guys, you have not seen it, it was wow. It was the funniest, I agree to that, it was really the funniest. Oh my god, we laughed like stupids, like,
Yeah, we did for sure.
God, yeah.
Then what's something we always laugh about? We are always
We laugh,
laughing.
yeah, exactly. We laugh for no reason. We just laugh. Whenever we meet, we laugh. It's like
Touch wood.
Yeah, touch wood. It's like laughing, therapy for both of us.
Yes, that's true. So I'll give it to her for this one.
Yeah.
Then what's my biggest fear?
The biggest fear, I think waking up in the early morning.
मस्त जोक मारा रे ये हंस रे हलकट हंस
No.
That's wrong.
Then,
Guys, so I also don't know my biggest fear and I don't know why I'm
no,
written it.
but I think waking up in the early morning is her biggest fear because, yeah.
No, that's not. I wake up every day.
miracle
Okay, what's something I'm passionate about?
Being a boss lady.
Oh yes, and even my diary says was lady.
Yeah, boss lady.
You.
She will be.
Then, what's one thing I value most in our friendship? That's a tough one.
I think what's the one thing that she values is I think friendship.
वाह दीदी
नहीं
दीदी वाह दीदी
what is this
दीदी
Question is, what do you value in a friendship? And she's saying friendship.
See, yeah.
Yeah, but
friendship
she's
is what
right.
she-
You know,
exactly.
friendship has many virtues,
Yeah.
and yeah, I value our friendship.
Friendship.
That's true. That's a
Both
very
of
nice
us-
answer.
And we both of us are very similar guys. Very much like we both are legit like sisters.
जान दे देंगे इसके लिए क्या
Just
I think I value
both of us.
Kaveri. I value
Yeah,
Kaveri.
yeah, yeah. Me
Yes.
too. I value her.
Few moments later.
Then can you recall our first meeting? And I know
Oh my
that
God.
you can.
Oh my God.
And what was your first impression about her?
She was. My first impression was she was a bit clumsy because I'll tell you the story.
Not a bit. I think very, very, very
I'll
clumsy.
tell you the story. So we were sitting in the PG room, our room, like all of us, like my parents, Asmita is our other roommate and our friend, like her parents. Every one of us was sitting. She came with her parents, and she like I think she cried. Her face says it, and yeah. After some time, she started searching everywhere.
No, so I will tell you.
And-
when my parents were just about to leave,
Yeah.
I said that where is my
Charger.
phone's charger?
Yeah, exactly.
And then I just searched the whole luggage.
Everywhere,
every
like
cupboard.
luggage, even the bed, even her bed. She just came and she started searching her bed also, like removing everything, and she started crying also.
Yeah, I was very emotional and I was not in my senses. That was the first time I was leaving my house, my parents. So I was like
I
really
understand because even
emotional.
I was also
And
crying.
guys, you should have seen my eyes, and you know, they all knew that I'm crying, but I
Yeah.
pretended that I'm not
Yeah,
crying.
she pretended like what do we call
Alpha.
that? Strong person, not strong person, like
Like I don't know what.
I don't know. I'm not getting the word. Sorry, guys.
But you should tell us in the comments.
You should tell us in the comments. You almost got the word. You should tell us in the
You know
comments.
it now.
You know it, yeah.
Oh my
Tough,
god.
yeah. She was acting tough.
Oh,
You should comment
you
whatever
should
you got.
tell. Yeah. Now next question. Can you name 3 things I'm good at? Why are you laughing? I'm good at anything.
Yeah, she is good at academics.
Huh? What is this?
No, that is one of the things. Okay.
I think we all are good at academics. That's why we were in NSR.
Yeah. Sorry for flexing, guys.
जनता माफ नहीं करेगी.
Guys, it's a flex. We are from Lady Shri Ram College for Women.
Delhi
And-
University. So I got 98.5%.
Who says that percentage, bitch?
I said,
Guys, I got lesser than her, but yeah, we are still friends. She's so kind.
shut up. So yeah, she is good at academics. She is good at laughing.
Is that even?
And she is a good person, guys. Like I think she is a good human. That's why
Okay.
I'm still friends with her.
What the hell? Even when I got just 96% and she got 98.
No,
Oh my
98.5.
God. Nice.
Sorry,
Guys,
for
please tell your percentage in the comments section. Now next, if I win a 50 lakhs lottery, what do you think I will do with it?
she'll start some business.
ओह यार यार ये कितनी औसम है यार.
I will invest and I will start my business.
Yeah, of course.
Oh my god, do you know everything? No, guys, I will give her some punishment for sure.
Oh my god. I'm scared now.
What's one thing you would like to advise me? And this is the last question.
Advice though, I think she should stop overthinking, overanalyzing things.
Yeah, that's something I should work on.
Yeah.
1 hour later.
Guys,
So-
I am scared right now.
Guys, so this is the water that we have taken. We will just make it this much because we don't want to waste any ingredients. We don't
What
want
the? She's not concerned about me, but she's concerned about wasting big materials.
we should. Okay, guys, I have all the raw materials over here, and I have a raw human also.
I don't know how raw I will be after having all of this together, guys.
No, we have this also. We can't forget the hero
Oh my
ingredient.
god, she got salt also.
So it's going to be a blast. And see, we have taken only this much water because Kaveri just needs a shot. Because she did quite well, but yeah, she got some things wrong. She got our funniest memory wrong. That's like,
It's because we have so many funny. It's
don't put drishti.
No, not putting drishti, guys, touch wood. But it's because whenever we meet, something funny happens always. So I can't tell specifically.
So pouch down. We have the next hero ingredient. The chili pop.
Guys, I can't drink this. Oh my! It's my birthday in one day, and if I
And
drink
this
if I get sick, this bitch is responsible, you guys.
This is birthday bombs.
क्या बोला तूने?
Oh my god, I'm scared.
tea powder because it will become worse. I think. I can imagine it.
I
No
can't.
ingredient all the way.
Are you for real? Are you for real?
For real.
She's adding kuch bhi, like whatever she has, she's just adding everything. You're not taking ChatGPT advice. Instead, you're doing your own recipe just to experiment on me.
Guys, you know what?
She's
I was
experimenting something on me. It's not a punishment.
it's so bad.
What the reaction like?
Guys, I don't want her to drink this.
Wow, I'm
Because
safe.
she will vomit you. And I can't clean it. You
I
should
want to
smell it.
See, yeah, it looks so bad. Like, I don't know if you can see it like this, but
Can't you
it
smell?
smells like oregano for me.
Smell. Taste it. Taste it.
Yeah, I think it smells okay.
Oh my god. You should taste
I
it then.
think it's okay.
Go for it. Go for it. One sip. No, you're not. Try it. Try it.
It tastes bitter. For
You-
real.
See guys, in the beginning I was going to give her coffee shots only.
It tastes so bitter.
But we didn't have coffee, so I give this, so have it
It
then.
tastes like Karela, guys. It tastes like Karela juice. Exactly like Karela juice. It tastes like Karela juice. Like,
Guys, I'm feeling like trying it, but I
you
won't.
try it. I mean, I see,
won't.
it's legit not that bad. I'm not kidding.
Really?
It tastes bitter. That's it. Like there is no taste. It tastes bitter like neem juice and Karela juice. Right?
50 रुपया कट ओवर एक्टिंग के वजह
I don't know why she reacted like that, but I'm genuinely
I think
saying.
you have not tasted it
I
properly.
have.
Just have a sip.
2 sips I
No,
have.
no, have a proper.
2,000 years later.
Thank you for watching, guys.
Thank you for watching, guys, and it was really fun
Yeah.
recording this video. I really enjoyed it.
Yeah, me too.
Thanks
And
for having me in your YouTube channel, Maddie.
Are you mad? Give likes for her.
Guys, even I have one YouTube channel.
Yeah, guys, please. I will link her channel.
Yeah,
please
please
subscribe to
subscribe.
her channel.
Thank you so
and
much,
one
guys.
another video will come out on her channel. Just
Very,
go check it
very
out.
soon, yes.
Yeah.
Bye, guys.